Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I wanted to do the reveal of the gorgeous Posies card kit in the new Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. This kit actually makes 16 total cards, and you get this fabulous card box that is just so stunning with its gold foil edging and those beautiful flowers and shades of purple. This is one of the kits that you can actually purchase multiples of because the stamp set comes separately. So you can get the stamp set and then you can purchase multiples of these to give as gifts for the holidays or just to have laying around so that you can give them to someone as an occasion arrives. So the additional products that you will need to create this kit is the gorgeous Posies stamp set, as well as Blackberry Bliss, Blushing Bride, Gorgeous Grape, and Highland Heather ink pads. And of course, mini glue dots and Stampin' Dimensionals, my favorite, and then regular Stampin' Seal or your favorite adhesive. So let's dive in and see exactly what's in this amazing kit. So you can see it's got this fun little like watercolor splash all over it and this little gold notch on the front with a little piece of like elastic to hold that down. So super cute. And then the front has this gold foil square or rectangle, I guess, and then these flowers that also have those gold foil accents. Isn't that just stunning? Then on the inside, it's actually Blushing Bride in that same like watercolor splatter look. And then of course there's the instructions, which you can always follow those as is, or you can always use these card pieces to create something your own. The inside does kind of have a little bit of like a plasticky shine coating on it down there in the bottom, and then a little bit on that lid too. So it's a very sturdy, nice, thick box to hold your cards in, or you can of course use it as a gift box for something else. So we have some gorgeous baker's twine in that fabulous purple color. I am just loving this purple. And then this is some ribbon that is like sheer with satin edging, and then it also has some of that gold fleck in it. Let's see if I can actually put this against some paper rather than my hands so you can see it much better. So there you can see that fabulous gold shine on that ribbon. So those are the two ribbons that come with it. There are actually, out of the 16 cards, it's 4 different sets of cards, I think. Wait, maybe I was wrong. This one actually has 3 and 6. Okay, so there's 6 pink bases. So this is the Blushing Bride with a Whisper White inside. And then there are 4, so I was correct on that part, 4 of the light purple here. And again, the white insides. And then there's 4 of these mint green ones. So super fabulous color combination. If you're ever looking for a color combination, Blushing Bride, Purple Posy, and Soft Seafoam are stunning together. All of the envelopes are actually this fabulous purple, and then on the back side it has that little edging, and the inside of the envelope, I'm not sure how well the camera picks that up, but it has that same watercolor splash on it. So super, super cute. This is definitely going to stand out in the mail to create some fabulous happy mail in someone's mailbox. So then of course our card bases, oh wait, here's 2 more. Maybe that didn't add up to 16 then. So it looks like we have 8 of the Blushing Bride, and then 4 and 4 of the other 2. And then now we have all of our little card fronts. So you can see this one has that gorgeous flower print with the gold foil, and it's just white on the back. So that'll go on one of the card bases. Another set of them is this one here. Again, having that fabulous rectangle of gold foil, and then on the flowers. I think I love these with this pattern more than just the flower ones. But let me know what your favorite one is in the comments below. Do you like this green one? Do you like the ones with the rectangles on it or the blushing bride? Like I said, I think these are probably my favorite. This one has some purple on the background, and then this one's more Whisper White, but it does have a little bit of that Blushing Bride watercolor splash to it. And then, of course, all the greetings go on these pieces here. So there are die cuts, there's circles with that fun die-cutted stitching, as well as the open holes. And then there's also 2 sheets of this one here and 1 sheet of this other one. So lots of fabulous greeting options to be able to place that and have that elegant detail with the greeting, as well as the foil background and everything else. And then of course there are a couple sheets of these little die cuts of the leaves and the flowers, and you'll also notice that these flowers have that same gold foil detail to them. So those are super cute. Any leftovers of those, you could decorate the insides of the cards or even the envelopes, but I'm not sure how well that would go in the mail, but it would look super fabulous on the front of an envelope for a hand delivered gift. So super, super fabulous. I hope you check out this gorgeous Posies card kit, and I can't wait to assemble it. Once I do assemble it, of course, I'll take pictures and leave tips and tricks on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out to see everything with this kit as well as other card inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.